Get more bang for your buck this 4th of July during Rife's Home Furniture and Mattresses explosive Independence Sale. Only a few more days to shop Oregon's guaranteed lowest prices store-wide. Plus, get no interest till 2030 with no money down or minimum purchase. On deals like this Ashley sofa and love seat or sectional, your choice just $799.99. Or this Parker House Power sectional in 2 colors for only $19.99. Get more bang for your buck during the Independence Sale. Going on now through Monday, only at Rife's.